Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to jump-start your Nissan Armada. First, prioritize safety by gathering essential equipment like gloves and eye protection. Make sure both vehicles are completely turned off and in park or neutral. Position the donor vehicle so its battery is within reach of the jumper cables, typically within 18 to 24 inches. This careful preparation ensures a safe and efficient jump start for your vehicle. Now, let's connect the cables. Take one red positive clamp and securely attach it to the positive terminal of your Armada's dead battery. Next, connect the other red positive clamp to the positive terminal of the donor vehicle's good battery. Then, take one black negative clamp and connect it to the negative terminal of the donor vehicle's battery. For the final connection, attach the remaining black negative clamp to an unpainted metal surface on your Nissan Armada, away from the battery. Double-check that all 4 cable connections are secure and clear of any moving engine parts. Now, start the donor vehicle's engine and let it run for at least 5 to 10 minutes to charge your Armada's battery. Once your Armada starts, it's time to disconnect the cables safely. First, remove the black negative clamp from the unpainted metal surface on your Armada. Next, disconnect the black negative clamp from the donor vehicle's battery. Then, remove the red positive clamp from the donor battery, and finally, detach the red positive clamp from your Armada's battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.